Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of camper vans, and not just any camper van. This is the 2025 Toyota camper van. Toyota has long been a household name for reliability, innovation, and timeless design. But this time they've gone above and beyond to redefine what it means to hit the road in style and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned van lifer, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone simply exploring the idea of road trips, the 2025 Toyota camper van is something you'll want to see. Let's begin with the exterior design. From the moment you see this van, you'll notice it exudes a futuristic yet approachable vibe. The sleek aerodynamic lines not only make it visually appealing, but also enhance fuel efficiency, a key consideration for those long drives. The front grille carries Toyota's new design philosophy, blending a sporty aesthetic with a robust, adventure-ready stance. LED headlights and tail lights are seamlessly integrated, providing excellent visibility and a modern look. The two-tone color options, combined with subtle chrome accents, give it a premium touch that stands out on the road or at the campsite. Now let's talk about the dimensions and practicality of the van. Toyota has designed this camper van with the perfect balance of compactness and spaciousness. It's easy to maneuver in urban settings, yet it offers plenty of interior space for all your camping needs. The vehicle also features a powered sliding door on each side, making entry and exit a breeze. Roof rails and a built-in ladder are included for those who want to bring along extra gear or perhaps set up a rooftop tent or solar panels. Moving to the interior, Toyota has truly outdone itself in making this camper van feel like a home on wheels. The cabin is a perfect blend of functionality, luxury, and smart design. The first thing you'll notice is the use of high-quality materials throughout. From the soft-touch dashboard to the eco-friendly leather seating, every detail has been thoughtfully curated to provide comfort and durability. The panoramic sunroof stretches across the entire length of the van, filling the space with natural light during the day and offering incredible stargazing opportunities at night. One of the standout features is the versatile seating and sleeping arrangements. The rear bench seats can easily be converted into a spacious bed for 2 adults. Additional foldable bunks are available, making it perfect for families or small groups. The seating configuration is modular, allowing you to adjust the layout based on your needs, whether you're driving, relaxing, dining, or sleeping. The kitchenette is compact but fully functional, featuring a dual-burner induction cooktop, a sink with a foldable faucet, and a mini fridge with enough capacity to store fresh produce and beverages for a weekend getaway. There's even a built-in microwave and multiple storage compartments for cookware and utensils. All of this is designed to be energy efficient, running off the van's advanced battery system, or optional solar panels. For those who love staying connected and entertained, the 2025 Toyota camper van has you covered. The infotainment system is top-notch, featuring a 15-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The system also integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's navigation and camping mode controls. Speaking of camping mode, with a single tap, you can activate features like climate control, ambient lighting, and power outlets, creating a cozy atmosphere inside the van. While Toyota hasn't skimped on safety and driver assistance features either, the van is equipped with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only enhance safety, but also make driving this camper van a stress-free experience, whether you're navigating city streets or winding mountain roads. Powering this camper van is an impressive hybrid powertrain, combining a robust electric motor with a fuel-efficient gasoline engine. This setup ensures you have plenty of power for highway cruising, while also maintaining excellent fuel economy for extended trips. Toyota offers an all-electric version as well, ideal for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The all-electric model boasts a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge and supports fast charging so you can quickly get back on the road. Additionally, the van's regenerative braking system adds an extra layer of efficiency, converting energy back into the battery during deceleration. Storage is often a concern for campers, but the 2025 Toyota camper van excels in this department. The underbed storage compartments are spacious enough to hold camping gear, suitcases, and other essentials. Overhead cabinets provide additional storage for smaller items, while clever nooks and crannies throughout the van make use of every inch of space. A fold-out table is integrated into one of the sliding doors, perfect for outdoor meals or setting up a workspace. Another noteworthy feature is the integrated bathroom setup. Yes, you heard that right. This camper van includes a compact wet bath with a shower and a cassette toilet. The shower head is detachable, making it easy to use both indoors and outdoors. The water system is equipped with a purification system, ensuring you have access to clean water no matter where your adventures take you. A gray water tank is included, along with an easy accessible panel for emptying it when necessary. The climate control system is designed to keep you comfortable in any weather. The camper van features dual-zone air conditioning and heating, allowing you to set different temperatures for the cabin and the sleeping area. For colder nights, there's an optional built-in heater that runs quietly and efficiently. The insulation has also been upgraded to provide better thermal regulation, so you'll stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Toyota camper van is its commitment to sustainability. Toyota has incorporated eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems throughout the vehicle. The optional solar panel package not only powers the van's electrical systems, but also charges the auxiliary battery. Additionally, the van's hybrid or electric powertrain significantly reduces emissions compared to traditional gas-powered RVs. Now let's discuss customization options. Toyota offers a variety of packages and upgrades to suit different lifestyles. Whether you're a solo traveler looking for a minimalist setup or a family needing extra amenities, there's something for everyone. Options include an off-road package with all-terrain tires, skid plates, and additional ground clearance, a tech package with enhanced connectivity features, and a luxury package with premium materials and finishes. The driving experience is another area where the 2025 Toyota camper van shines. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth and quiet acceleration, making long drives more enjoyable. The steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough terrain, ensuring a comfortable ride for passengers. Toyota's also paid special attention to soundproofing, so you can enjoy the tranquility of nature without being disturbed by outside noise. As we wrap up this overview, it's clear that Toyota has truly reimagined what a camper van can be with the 2025 model. It combines the best of modern technology, thoughtful design, and sustainability to create a vehicle that's as functional as it is enjoyable. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or simply looking for a versatile vehicle that doubles as a mobile home, this camper van is worth considering. Thank you for joining us as we explored the 2025 Toyota camper van. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future content. Let us know in the comments what you think of this camper van and if it's something you'd consider for your next adventure. Until next time, happy travels and safe adventures.